Hi, good morning everyone. Today I want to show you the iShift Honda common problem. The P0810 code is coming. This is a common problem in the Honda iShift semi-automatic. You can see here is a box and this is the cylinder here. You have to remove this pipe and you have to remove that metal box, and inside is a plastic casing. You have to remove the casing and then you can see inside is an actuator there. If you have the code P0810, we can solve your issue in 1 hour. You have to take it out and bring the actuator, or you send the car to us. We are in Hounslow near Heathrow, and that's the common problem, P0810 clutch actuator malfunction. So we can sort it out your problem. Our address is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango 171 Henworth Road, Hounslow, and you can contact us anytime 0740253638. That's the common problem in Honda iShift, and we can solve your problem. If you bring the car, we can solve your problem, complete job in 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours. Or if you bring the actuator, we can ready actuator in 1 hour. We can fix all type of ECU. You can see my other videos. Thanks watching movies. If you have any problem, you can contact us anytime. Thanks.